This is the show flat. This show flat is for 3 bedroom plus servant option. It has got 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms and a servant room. This room is just to give you an idea, like we have got double heighted entrance lobby in all the towers. So this is a space which, this is a very small space, but actually you're getting a very huge space in all the buildings once you enter, which acts as a lobby as well as a security parameter as well. So once anyone who's entering your building would be cross-checked at the entry of your building. Now the first room you come across, we are calling it a servant room because it has got a washroom attached to it. But this could be used as a study, it could be used as an office space depending on the requirement of the family. It has got direct access to the kitchen from the back side, from the balcony. This is the main entrance to the apartment. We are entering the living dining area. This is the living dining area. You get the fall ceiling in this. Plastic emulsion paint is used and you get premium vitrified tiles. If you can look at the area, like we have got a 6-seater dining table, 7-seater dining table. Then we've got a space for the bar. People can use it for crockery as well, depending on the requirement. And then this side, we have got the living area. We have got sofa sets spread out in the L shape. We are entering the kitchen, which is right next to the living dining area. Chimney and RO. So this is the granite top as well, which is included in this. This is a spacious kitchen with lots of storage spaces like these. And you've got all the gadgets which you can be placed comfortably in various paths. The hob, chimney and RO is included in this. You get premium vitrified tiles and plastic emulsion paint in the kitchen. Now we move ahead to the next bedroom. There's a lots of storage space in this apartment. So this is a utility space. This could be used as a puja room, or you can have storage wardrobes placed like this, so family can use it as per their requirement. This is the first bedroom. We are calling it as the guest bedroom. You get premium vitrified tiles and plastic emulsion paint. All the rooms have balconies attached to it. These rooms are spacious enough. You can have a full-fledged bed, you can have a wardrobe, and you even have a space for TV cabinet, or if you want to have decorative wall on the side of the room. Attached with the room is the washroom. Washroom, again you have got premium vitrified tiles, anti-skid tiles, and you have got premium fixtures and fittings of Brohe, Roka or equivalent with vanity and mirror. Which is again, it has got a balcony attached to it. Again, you get premium vitrified tiles and plastic emulsion paint on the walls and the roof. This is again the same size as the other bedroom. This is again spacious enough. You've got a huge washroom attached to it. We have designed this room as the teenagers room, but again family as per their requirement can use it for the elderly or the kids as per the requirement of the family. So you have got a space for wardrobe, you've got you can decorate the room with the wallpaper, you again have a balcony attached to it, and then you have a washroom which is just beside it. Washroom again, you get premium fixtures and fittings from Rohe. Next room is the master bedroom. Here you get wooden flooring and wardrobe as part of the standard fixtures and fittings. Again, you have got plastic emulsion paint on the walls and the roof. Again, you've got a balcony attached to it. So there's lots of significance on the importance of balcony for natural light, wind ventilation, and it gives you a privacy to the room as well.